Alright, today I'm going to unbox the Tamiya Ford Mustang GT4. Let's just take a quick look at the box art. Typical Tamiya fashion. Very, very nice. But first, I gotta make myself a tasty beverage. Okay, let's go ahead and cut this guy open. And let's see what we have. Alright, the body, quick inspection, very nicely molded, as always. Some glass pieces. Unfortunately, the windshield came off. Looks like it's okay. Don't see any scratches or anything in it. The underbody, or the chassis. These look like they're all very nicely detailed parts as usual. And some suspension pieces, some roll cage pieces all the way around. I kind of like this two-piece tub idea. Generally makes it easier to do painting. Front bumper. Some more pieces molded in black. It looks like here we've got the racing seat, underbody panels, rear wing, nice looking dash. Hopefully you can see this. Okay. As usual, beautiful tires. Let's take these things out and show you. These are definitely flexible rubber. They're not plastic. Nice rubber tires. Put these off to the side. Some nice satin chrome pieces. They're not overly bright. Nice looking wheels. Good details on the brakes. Yeah, we actually kind of have an engine here. Even though this is a curbside kit. You can see a transmission, engine block, exhaust, rear end, more not suspension, but underbody frame pieces. And then finally, some background information on the car itself. Looks like we've got the various painting and marking sheet. And then the instructions. Very nicely detailed. This will be a fun kit to assemble. Ooh, very nice. Window masks. I love me some window masks. These always come in handy. And of course the decal sheet. And that's some tech tips. And that looks like it's about it. Thank you for watching.